In this problem, the block diagram of a feedback system is given. It is asked to find the transfer function of the system. The relevant topic has been taught in NPTEL Control Engineering course in week 3 lecture 1 by Dr. Ramakrishna Pasumarthy of IIT Madras. We will use Manson-Gain formula to obtain the transfer function. Transfer function T is given as CS by RS, where CS is output and RS is input, which is equal to summation Pi into delta I divided by delta. Pi is the forward path gains, delta is equal to 1 minus sum of individual loop gains plus sum of product of two possible non-touching loops minus sum of gain of product of all possible 3 non-touching loops and so on, and delta I is obtained from delta by removing the loop which are touching the ith forward path. The given block diagram is shown here. We will transform it to the equivalent signal flow graph. So input X transform to X here, output Y transform to Y here. From here we have a forward path G2 here. Again we have a forward path G1 and 1 here. So we write G1 and 1. And then we have a feedback path here. So we have introduced a feedback path here with minus H gain. We will start writing the transfer function of this using Manson-Gain formula. We have forward path here, G1 into 1 and G2. Delta here is, we have only one feedback loop here, so it is G1 into minus H, it is 0, which is equal to 1 plus G1H. Delta 1 is equal to 1 minus 0. If we remove this path, then we will not get any loop. Similarly, delta 2 is also 1. Hence the transfer function T is equal to Ys by Rs is equal to forward path into delta I. So G1 into 1 plus G2 into 1 divided by 1 plus G1H. In this problem, the block diagram of a feedback system was given and it was asked to find the transfer function of the system. We have used signal flow graph to solve this problem.